Hello guys again, and welcome back. Now my new part arrived, if you guys can recall from the last video when I was changing the my fog lights light bulbs. I broke this part over here when I was putting it out. It was really stuck inside. On the other side it popped out really easy. I was just holding with two fingers and it popped out. Well, this one was so stuck and it got broken. And right now I'm gonna show you what actually broke. So this is the part. It stays like this on the car, and at the bottom you have two plastic clips, like one here. This one is broken. This is actually the one that broke in the last video, and there were supposed to be two on the top. Those were already missing, so this is not because of me. So someone was already there before me and broke these two. So I've ordered a new one. Here I got the new one from Skoda. It costed around 24 euros, I believe. It's not that bad when they're just a piece of plastic. But one thing to note here, I'm gonna go ahead and open this one and quickly show it to you. So this is the new one and this is the old one. The new one does not include the additional plastic trim at the front. It comes without it. So I have double checked in the catalog, and in the Skoda catalog this piece comes separately, so you can buy this separately. And I'm kind of really happy that it didn't break, because this little guy costs 100 euros, and I'm not joking. It literally costs 100 euros. I don't know why. Maybe it has to do something with the color, because according to the catalog it's kind of like a black color with a pearl effect, even though you can't see it on camera because my lighting is really bad. But I'm so happy it didn't break. Now all I have to do is just pop this out, hopefully nothing breaks, and put it on the new piece and put it back on the car. So the way you just remove it is really kind of simple. At the back you have, let me try and go a little bit closer to the light, but nope, that's not gonna happen. Basically have like a similar clips like this one, holding in here at the back. I think they're like a 1, 2, 3, and just pop this one and it's supposed to come out. So I'll just speed up the footage a little bit and see you in a little bit. And there you go. This is little guy that costs 100 euros. 100 euros. They have to be kidding me. These people have no regards for money whatsoever. Anyway, let's just quickly pop this into the new part. Goes like that. And like that. And now, since this has all the clips, it should, well, we can remove this little sticker here. I don't need this. It's gonna go into the garbage. Let's go ahead and pop this in the car. So it should go like that. Like new. Perfect. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. See you in the next one.